Hi guys, welcome to RS Technology. My name is Sai Kumar. In this session, we are going to learn the working styles of modulus and division in C language. Basically, modulus defines with percentile symbol. It will always return the remainder. For example, we will see 5 modulus 2. What is the result? What is the result? Easy guys. For example, here I am performing the modulus operation between 5 and 2. The result is nothing but the remainder of the operation. The remainder of the operation. For example, one more thing we will see. One more thing we will see. If I want to perform the operation between the two floating points, 5.0 percentile 2.0. What is the result? Anybody guess? Maybe 1.0. The result will be 1.0. If you think the result will be 1.0, absolutely wrong. Why wrong? 5% till 2 is 1, 5.0% till 2.0. Why not 1.0? Simple guys. In C and C++, we are not able to perform the modulus operation between the two floating point values. If we want to perform the modulus operation between two floating point value, we need to write f mod function. F mod function. F mod function basically developed for the floating point modulus. Uh, how it will be give the result? Simple guys. Printf percentile f Why the percentile f? Percentile f will store the floating point values. If I want to perform f mod operation, simple f mod of 5.0 comma 2.0. Close the brace, give the semicolon. The result will be the 1 point output. The result will be the 1.6 zeros. What are the 6 zeros? The 6 zeros is nothing but in the C language, the compiler will return 6 zeros after the point in floating point values. Okay. For example, we will see one more thing. If I want to perform the operation between -5 modulo 2, what is the result? The result will be -1. If I want to perform 5 modulo -2, what will be the result? The result will be 1. If I want to perform -5 modulo -2, the result will be -1. Here we can see in the modulus, if the numerator is negative, the result answer also negative. The notepad, note it down. In modulo, if the numerator is negative, then answer also negative. One more thing we will see, print printf of percentage d comma 2 modulo 5. 2 modulo 5. What will be the result? Remember this, guys. If the divisor is bigger than dividend, the dividend is the answer. Remember this point. If the divisor is bigger than dividend, then dividend is the answer. So the answer will be 2. Okay, remember this point, important point. One more thing we will see. If I want to perform printf of percentage d comma 123 percentile 10, 123 percentile 10, I will give the shortcut to this. Any number percentile 10 will give the last digit as the answer. In 123 percentile 10, the answer will be 3. We will see one more point. Printf percentile d comma 10 percentile 10. What will be the answer? We have discussed that the last digit is nothing but 0. 0 is the answer. For example, printf percentile d comma 1 modulo 10. What will be the answer? There is the one digit, so the result will be also the same 1. Okay, remember this point. Any number percentile 10 will give the last digit as the answer. Okay, these are the important points of modulo, and we will see division operation. We will see what is the working style of division operation. For example, if you want to perform 5 by 2, the result will be 2, because the integer always return integer value only. Basically, in the mathematics perspective, the answer will be the 2.5, but we are performing integer operations, so the round figure value is 2. If we want to perform int by int, the result also int. For example, floating point 5.0 by 2, the result will be 2.5 zeros. 2.5 zeros. We have already discussed after point there will be 6 digits in floating point. One more thing, 5.0 by 2.0. The result will be 2.5 zeros. Now, if I want to perform integer operation, but I want to get accurate result. So then I need to perform typecasting. Typecasting. For example, uh, 5 by 2. Actually, the result will be 2, but I want to typecast the operation, so I need to write here float. The data type should be in the brace. The data type should be in the brace. The resultant value will be 2.5 zeros. I don't want like this. If I want to put the bracket to the numbers, float of 5 by 2, it will give error. It will give error. In C language, and we are not allowed to write like this. It will give error. It will give error. Not allowed to write like this. This is the correct way. This is the correct way. One more thing. If I want to perform like this, it will allows. It will allows the result will be 2.6 zeros. It will also give the round figure floating point value. Note bracket should be provided to float. Bracket should be provided to float. Okay. We will see. We want to print like this. Printf %d comma 123 by 10. Remember this 123 by 10. In here also any number by 10, the removes the last digit. Removes the last digit. The answer should be 12. The last digit 3 will be deleted. The 12 is the answer. These are the shortcuts. And one more thing we will see printf %ld comma 10 by 10. 10 by 10. The result will be last digit deleted, the result will be 1. And one more thing, printf %ld comma 1 by 10. 1 by 10. What is the result? The 1 is nothing but 0, 1. 0, 1. So 1 is removed and the result is 0. The result is 0. For example, printf percentage d comma -5 by 2 -5 by 2. The result will be -2. And printf percentage d comma 5 by -2. 5 by -2. The result will be -2. Result will be -2. Printf percentage d comma -5 by -2. What is the output? The output is 2. Note, in division, any one operand is negative, then result is negative. If both are negative, the result is positive. Okay, remember these points. A very important point. Okay, thank you. We will see further topics in next video.